So remove these 2 screws here. This will then just lift off. It has little pins which locate in little holes at the top of each of these handles. Remove the window winder, put the screw back in. You have a screw behind this handle here. Unscrew that, and the handle slides off. Put the screw back in. Same on the other side. You have a bolt here and a bolt here, both different. This is a 10mm, and that looks like a 13mm. And these just twist upwards, and they have a little like keyhole. You locate it that way, turn down, or up to take off. You may find the handle sticks to the vinyl a little bit. And the rest is just popping the card off. So this card needs replacing anyway, so I'm just going to pop it off with my hands. And it's off. So turn it around, you can have a look. So it's got these little tangs here, which obviously locate into here. The card is supposed to push underneath that lip there, but this has gone a bit misshapen over time. So it doesn't really fit as well as it should do. This will have to come off if you're going to replace the cards for new ones. This cover just pops off. You might think you're going to break it, but you know, I'll just show you. Off it comes. That is now ready for the bin. The bottom is just held on with the same clips as the top one. These clips here hold the bottom card on. There's no other mechanical fixings for that. You might find if someone's fitted a speaker like here, that the speaker may be screwed into the metal. This isn't. I'm just going to pop the speaker cover off. So once you've got rid of the speaker, if it's got a speaker there, just pop the card off, go along the top first, and then it will pop off.